An array of more than 100 rousing stories from across the country.
बच्चे सभी करीब करीब ये कहते हैं कि दादी इस उम्र में कर सकती है तो हम क्यों नहीं कर सकते.
Amazing Indians has helped strengthen their cause.
It definitely brought in recognition.
Changed lives, shaped dreams, ignited a spark. Catch Amazing Indians this weekend on Times Now.
Presented by Mahindra. In association with Binani Cement for generations to come.
नहीं मेरा फोन. Hi, how are you?
हेलो,
Who's this?
मैं मिसेस शर्मा.
सर ने परसों कार लोन के लिए अप्लाई किया था ना, अप्रूव हो गया.
कार लोन.
हाँ, कल आपका बर्थडे है ना, हैप्पी बर्थडे.
यूनियन बैंक ऑफ इंडिया में लोन एप्लीकेशंस को मिले फास्टर प्रोसेसिंग और प्रोएक्टिव फॉलोअप.
सरप्राइज था
क्योंकि आपके सपने सिर्फ आपके नहीं.
Let's look into future India with BP, where energy makes over 1 billion lives better. Energy discovered in the deepest waters and seen even through the rocks. With investments in lubricants, oil, gas and petrochemicals, we'll fuel this future together. BP in India. There is energy in this partnership. जिंदगी में कुछ ऐसे पल आते हैं जब समझ नहीं आता दिल की सुने या दिमाग की. जरा इंतजार कीजिए जब तक दिल और दिमाग एक साथ खुशी से ना कहे हाँ, यही है वो, यही तो है.
And the BJP has hit out at the latest speech given by Prime Minister Manmohan Singh in Chhattisgarh.
They are making big speeches from big stages because they have a big stage available to them and they have opportunity to make big speeches in front of big audiences. If he is referring to Narendra Modi is the leader of the people of India. Manmohan Singh is not. He does not get a big stage, that's not BJP's fault. He does not command people's respect, that's not BJP's fault. People don't want to listen to him, that's not BJP's fault. So what is he talking about?
Well, after Sonia Gandhi and Rahul Gandhi, Prime Minister Manmohan Singh actually hit the campaign trail in Chhattisgarh, directly taking on the Raman Singh government and the BJP. An aggressive Manmohan Singh said that the Chhattisgarh government had failed to tackle Maoist terror.
मुझे ये विश्वास है कि भारत और छत्तीसगढ़ की जनता ये अच्छी तरह समझ जाएगी कि सिर्फ बड़े मंचों से बड़ी बड़ी बातें बोलने से भारतीय जनता पार्टी सत्ता में आने लायक नहीं बन सकती है. विपक्षी पार्टियों के कई बड़े नेता ऐसी बातें कर रहे हैं जो तथ्यों पर आधारित नहीं है. एक बीजेपी के लीडर ने कहा कि 25 मई को चीरम घाटी के हमले के बाद छत्तीसगढ़ की सरकार ने कितनी संवेदना के साथ काम किया, लेकिन इस बात का उन्होंने जिक्र नहीं किया कि सुरक्षा में वो कितनी गंभीर कमी थी जिसकी वजह से कांग्रेस पार्टी के इतने सारे महान नेता और कार्यकर्ता और सुरक्षा कर्मी इतने दर्दनाक तरीके से मारे गए. इस बात का जिक्र नहीं किया गया कि केवल राजनीतिक मतभेदों की वजह से बीजेपी सरकार ने कांग्रेस पार्टी के संबंधित लोगों की सुरक्षा की कोई व्यवस्था नहीं की. मैं एक और बात यहाँ साफ तौर पर कहना चाहूँगा कि हम विपक्षी दलों की और उनकी सरकारों की नीतियों की आलोचना जरूर करेंगे क्योंकि हम उनसे असहमत हैं, लेकिन हमें अपना संयम खोकर विपक्षी नेताओं के विरुद्ध ऐसे शब्दों का प्रयोग नहीं करना चाहिए जो अपमानजनक हो. और हमारी पार्टी के गरिमा के विरुद्ध हो। इस विषय पर हम बीजेपी से खास तौर पर अलग रहना है, जिसके कुछ नेता दूसरी पार्टी के नेताओं और मुख्यमंत्रियों के विरुद्ध खराब भाषा का प्रयोग कर रहे हैं। चिरम घाटी का नक्सली हमला ये भी दर्शाता है कि बीजेपी की छत्तीसगढ़ की सरकार के कार्यकाल में छत्तीसगढ़ में सुरक्षा व्यवस्था कितनी खराब हो गई है। आम जनता की सुरक्षा सुनिश्चित करना किसी भी सरकार की बुनियादी जिम्मेदारी होती है, लेकिन छत्तीसगढ़ की बीजेपी सरकार इस जिम्मेदारी को निभाने में पूरी तरह असफल रही है। राज्य के बहुत से हिस्से नक्सलियों के काबू में हैं और वहां सरकार की कोई बात नहीं मानी जाती। इसी वजह से इन हिस्सों में विकास के काम न होने के ही बराबर है।
Moving on, nearly 5 months after actress Jia Khan was found dead in her Mumbai apartment, a forensic report in the case has now raised questions. The report suggests that the probe teams ignored crucial details like flesh under her fingernails, which in effect suggests that there was some form of struggle before her death, and a possibility of murder cannot be ruled out.
Well, I want the Bombay police to do exactly what the High Court has told them, to reinvestigate it completely, with the forensic that has been tempered, like fingernails from right hand and left hand has been taken and no forensic was done on them. Then the blood which was found on the floor and on her clothes, no identification was done on that. And, there are so many other things, the marks on her, the injury marks on her face was not mentioned in the postmortem. And then, the bruise on her left arm was not mentioned in the postmortem. And her eyes were shut, her mouth was shut, there was no saliva, there was dry. It was absolutely dry as if she's sleeping. This is not asphyxia. I mean, I have gone to the India's #1 forensic doctor to take his opinion, and that is why I am coming out with this information that Bombay Police has done nothing. I have given the copy of preliminary postmortem to the press, and you can look into it. And you can look to what Dr. Sharma has, Professor Sharma has told us, that this is definitely looks like a homicide. One thing I have to make it very clear. I know that people will think, oh, it's the mother talking. No, I only go for truth. And I know my friends were with me when I was giving mouth-to-mouth respiration, and there was no alcohol smell. And where did my daughter have alcohol? There is no alcohol. We don't keep alcohol. And then there was no time for her to have alcohol. You can see the footage of CCTV. And secondly, in the postmortem, first they say that the stomach had a smell of fruitish, and then suddenly they have alcohol. I mean, this is becoming a joke now.
Sports chess, where reigning world champion and world #1 Magnus Carlsen has played out a draw in the first game of their World Chess Championship match in Chennai. The match lasted around 90 minutes and both players resumed battle on Sunday afternoon.
No, I think, I mean, you can't start reacting to every twist and turn. There will be many twists and turns, a lot of games. But, of course, today went satisfactorily, that's clear. Fairly comfortable draw with black. And that's it, but there are more games to play and just have to get ready for tomorrow now.
I was not too thrilled with the game. The way, I mean, of course I was happy to actually be able to play today, but I was not too thrilled about the way the game went. in general in these lines, play develops a little more slowly. But here there was an immediate crisis, and it didn't seem that any of my options were particularly promising, particularly as I had missed, as Vishy mentioned earlier, on move 13, Queen E1.
They say well begun is half done. Hopefully that's the case with the reigning world champion Vishwanathan Anand. With that, we're going to wrap up this edition of the 5 p.m. this Saturday evening. Up next is a very special broadcast on the power of Shunya. Stay with us.
दुनिया से आंखें चुरा के जहां अपने मन की कर सके चलो ढूंढे ऐसा कौन
जिंदगी भर हम एक ऐसी खास जगह ढूंढते हैं जिसे अपना कह सके HDFC होम लोन्स अपनी जगह बनाओ
My dentist says Colgate Total protects me for 12 hours from these 12 teeth and gum problems. I'm on a flight, let's test it out. It's been 6 hours, let's check the germ buildup in my mouth. It's quite low. It's been 12 hours, let's check our mouths. Yours is quite high. And mine's still low. So Colgate Total is still protecting me from these 12 teeth and gum problems.
Colgate Total, unbeatable complete protection.
Okay.
He rides like a breeze through coconut trees. Ladies, ladies, please. You'll go weak in the knees.
If you look around there, no banana leaves. Look at him go, he's such a big piece. He rides like a breeze.
Yeah, he rides like the breeze. Yeah.
देखा एमरॉन नहीं तो लॉन्ग लाइफ नहीं क्योंकि सिर्फ एमरॉन में सिल्वर जो देता है इसे लॉन्ग लाइफ एमरॉन सिल्वर टिंग सिल्वर टोंग
डर सबसे ज्यादा उस चीज से लगता है जो दिखाई न दे
राज्य के बहुत से हिस्से नक्सलियों के काबू में हैं और वहां सरकार की कोई बात नहीं मानी जाती।
Prime Minister raises the pitch in Chhattisgarh, trains guns on the Raman Singh government and the BJP. Pressure mounts on the Prime Minister to skip Commonwealth Heads of Government meet in Colombo. The External Affairs Ministry still undecided. Supreme Court stays Guwahati High Court order which termed the CBI unconstitutional. An aggressive Mayawati hits out at the BJP and the Congress, says her party will go alone in 2014. Autopsy report nails BSP MP's wife's lies. Multiple injuries on the domestic help's body. The much-anticipated first game of the World Chess Championship between Vishwanathan Anand and Magnus Carlsen ends in a draw. Game 2, Sunday afternoon.
Expansive fields, crops that feed a billion mouths and fresh farm produce that safely makes its way to our supermarkets and homes. That is the abundance in India that we hope for. Years ago, we were further from this goal than ever before. Before the Green Revolution, India struggled to produce enough food for its people. Famine visited us all too often and there was no end in sight. But in 1968, India took a leap forward in self-reliance, revolutionizing its entire agriculture sector and paving a way for the future of farming. Now the time for revolution is upon us once again. First, we must find a way to feed the 213 million Indians who go hungry every day. And second, as our population bursts at the seams As resources stretch thin and farmers struggle to keep up, we must figure out how to provide food for nearly 40,000 new people that will be born tomorrow. Demand for food already outstrips supply, and that demand will only grow.